it's me, Cindy, with another unboxing video from, this one is Donkey Journals _ Paper Love on Instagram. She is from Norway, and let's just get right into it. I get quite a bit of stuff from her, and she is always super duper cool and very wonderful and really nice and easy to work with. And she has some really neat things, not just Finnish things or stuff like that. She gets some things from all over the world. Japan and China and the United States even. So there are some really cool things here. I will begin with these little metal drawer pulls. These are super pretty. And I'm not sure exactly what I will do with them, but I will figure it out. Maybe make some kind of a cool book box. There are the screws in it too, which is super helpful. So they match and they set in perfectly. But these are really pretty. I hope you can see in there. I zoomed my camera in, so hopefully that will help out. There's a really pretty design in there, and there are these really cool coppery colors. And I was able to get 4. I think she had them where you can get them individually or you can get more. But she gets really cool things like that lots of times. And, oh, let's look at this little pile. There's cool ticket things and coupons and wine bottle labels and cigar labels. Monopoly money. Now look at this really pretty postcard. Oops, sorry. When I look in my screen, it's all backwards. I thought these were really neat. These are dividers. I can't remember if she said for days of the week, or they look like words for like a dictionary type thing. Anyway, I thought those were really pretty. I think I got 2 sets of those. And they're super heavy duty cardstock. So there's that. And let's look in the Delicates envelope. There's some really awesome book pages. I hope you can see that okay. Here's some Japanese book pages, which are really, really nice. If they're not, please pardon me. I don't know the kanji or the characters at all. So I just think they look beautiful. Okay, and these are cool. Hamilton Treasure Chest Customers Profit Sharing Coupon. These are fun. Different colors. Got a bunch of those. They have little numbers on each coupon. Those over there. Here's some more of the little book pages. I like those a lot. These are really, they're still in very good condition. They're not brittle at all. Here's some slightly, ooh, another one. Here's some slightly bigger ones, but still little. I like these for the tiny journals and the tiny books that I make. Oh, these are my absolute favorite. Pretty sure these are Finnish pages. But I love the font these are in, and just the way that the language looks with the type. It's just beautiful. I love, 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 love these. I always try to get some of those. And here's some cool book pages. Look at the patina and coloring on these ones, guys. This is so cool. And they're thin enough that you can work with, but they're not brittle. Oh, more. Cool. And they don't crack. As you can see, I'm rolling them and everything. Oh, look at that one. How cool. Just an example of the different patinas you can get from her. And she always says if she needs to fold something, you can tell her not to fold it, or you can tell her that you can. Oh, the color on these are just beautiful. Okay. Oh, look at this. A freight bill. From 1937. This is from USA. Oh, look at this one. And they're in that really neat thin paper I like to use, because you could still kind of see through it, almost like a vellum, but it's strong. Oh, this is cool. Look at this stub. Very neat. 1867 from New York. How cool is that? Oh, this is pretty. Oh, wow, look at these, guys. I really like the, oh gosh, these are cool. I'm gonna have to do something neat with this in my Oriental journal that I'm doing. It started out just being Japanese journal, but I added some Chinese and Mandarin, Mongolian things in there, so it's now kind of like an Oriental Asian journal. So we'll see how that turns out. Look at these beautiful pages. I love these. They're really soft and they feel like cotton. So pretty. Oh, these are cool too. From the Cincinnati Marietta Railroad Company. I live very close to Cincinnati. But we don't find things like this a lot of times in our area. This is so cool. And how it got all the way across the world, I'll never know. But it came back. So isn't that neat? Okay, we'll put all of these, whoops, guys back in here so I don't accidentally crumble them. And as you can see, everything was packaged up. And I've never had anything get ruined from her or any of that. From rain or anything. And she puts delicate things in their own little folder. And then we've got some, ooh, look at these ledger papers. How pretty are these? these are wonderful for pockets and envelopes and just covers and pages inside. Oh, I love the typing paper. I always try to get some of that too so I can use it in my typewriter. And look how pristine. Wonderful. I got a lot of pages of that. Okay. And I got a little Japanese book. I love, that's one of my favorite bindings to do in books. That and a Coptic stitch, which I really like to do also. Look how, oh, look at the illustrations. I very rarely, if ever, actually take these apart because they're so cool. Sometimes I'll try to get two so I can keep one and use one. There's the chop at the end. Isn't that pretty? Love it. And then I got these two little leather-bound books. One's a little bit messed up. I'll use probably that one for cover and stuff, but look at the inside. Super cool. This one has a little annotations in it. But I really like these. And then the one is better condition. And things don't bother me if they're very similar or doubles of things. Because I'll just keep one in my collection and then use one for journal fodder. So this one's pretty awesome, all the poetry in it. I really like that. So thank you for my very short, very fast unboxing video today. And I hope you guys are able to get some ideas of where to get things and maybe some new things to create with. So I will see you next time. Thanks very much. Bye.